Hey guys, so today we are here at True Vine Garden Columbari and we are now at phase one. Uh, I'm gonna show you around what's the progress that True Vine, that we here at True Vine Garden Columbari is already making. So at the moment, these are the columbariums, no, or mo ni siya ang sudlanan bitaw sa kanang mga nagpa-cremate nato nga mga loved ones. And these are the examples of what do you call this one? Mga nakabutang na din karon sa atong vault. So medyo naianam-anam na sila og kadaghan, and most of the vaults that are here, especially on this side, are already sold. Now, if you can see, kaning mga steels, mao ni siya ang ato ang canopy in the future. So, at least kung mobisita mo din, dili kayo siya init, and at the same time, no, presko ang lugar. So, yeah, just imagine, 'di ba, kung moadto man gud ta og mga memorial places like the mga sementeryo, anywhere you go, usually good ang ato ma-feel hadlok or creepy or hugaw, but try to look at this one. It's very clean. The place here, it's very green. Try to look at that one. Di ba, grabe siya kalimpyo. And it's always maintained, no, by the management there is a True Vine. By the way, this is a memorial tree. Ang usa ka memorial tree, musud na siya og up to 12 ka urns or 12 ka ashes, no. So there will be 3 volts. Ingon ni ang example sa volt, ngani usa ka volt, upat ka buok ang masud niya na. Yeah. So sa 4 ka volts, 3 ka volts, 4 ka urns ang masud. So in one memorial tree, that's 12 ka 12 kabuok urns ang pwedeng ibutang. So this is an example of how it looks like. By the way, makita ninyo sa video, duha lang siya kabuok volts ang nakabutang, but in actual, it's actually 3. Okay? So, yeah, grabe siya kanindot. Imagine, ingunani ang place nga butangan sa imong special nga loved ones, mahadlok pa ba ka mo bisita if this is the area. And by the way, it's not if flooded nga area. One thing I can guarantee you of that, because the place is open and it's filled with plants. So imagine if in the future manubo na ng mga tanom maog maayo, no, this can actually contribute to the surrounding what do you call that one, community nga dili na mabahan, because naay trees nga mo absorb sa mga rainwaters and sa mga flood nga mag-cause around. So this area will help the community around, to absorb all those extra waters that are flowing during the rainy season. So this one, ang inyong makitaan, is ang phase 2. Right now, ongoing ang atong pag-install sa atong mga steel bars, and next na is kato ng mga granite ang ipang taod. And then soon, there are some delays though for the past months due to what do you call this one? Bag-deliver po mismo sa what do you call this one, sa mga granite stones, which is mga ilang gipanggamit. By the way, ang katong gipakita na ganiha, nga ilang gamit sa Columbari, it could last up to 500 years. So just imagine that, ma-outlive na lang ka. Pila ka generations upon generation ang pwede pa maka-benefit sa kaning sa kaning Columbari nga imuhang gi-avail with True Vine. Okay? So yeah, I'm gonna show you as well ang garden nga area, no. So grabe kanindot ang atong garden. We're on our way there. So matingal mo matingal mo nganong daghan og tao, because today naate event, no, here ang mga different realties are gathering around. So as ma-introduce me og balik with True Vine. So yes, before dili ingon ani, but now try to look at it. Grabe ka daghang buwak. Okay, and it's already filled with plants. So kung gusto ka mo bisita sa imong loved ones, pwede ka makastay po diri nga area, and you don't have to rush going home. Okay? Kaya usually kung mo bisita ta og namatyan or bisita tag lubnganan, what we always think, okay, for how long ko mo stay diri, or you know. But if you try to look at this one, mo ni mo makita around you, mag-think pa ba ka, magdali pa ba ka og uli, right? If you are in this place, it actually commands happiness. So, kung katong nibiya na, you know, it's worth remembering them in a place that commands happiness. Well, of course, wa kailangan nga may hinumduman, are just happy thoughts, okay? Happy thoughts lang, di ba? So see how beautiful this place is, okay? And soon, kanidiring area will be the chapel, okay? It's gonna be a brutalist nga design sa chapel, and then it will be surrounded by just very limited lang, mga 24 ka units no of cabanas. So I'm gonna be posting the cabanas on my Facebook account, and I will do another feature vlog for that. Okay, so at the moment, that's it for True Vine. And if you wanted to know more about True Vine, don't you ever hesitate to give me a message, like, and even comment on this post. And at the same time, you may shoot a message. And then if you wanted to do an actual site viewing, I will be happy to serve you with that. So yeah, that's it. So thank you so much, guys, for touring with me, and I hope mas nasabtan ninyo. And yeah, what a beautiful sunset. Bye. See ya.